It's the time of year where cold weather can lead to freezing pipes and water main breaks. But how and why does this happen? Well, of course, we need temperatures below freezing, 32 degrees. The water mains are usually a couple of feet below the surface of the roads. And the pressure from frozen soil and, of course, cars and heavy trucks driving overhead can compress on those water main pipes. The water inside the pipes doesn't freeze, but the groundwater in the soil does. And as it freezes, it expands, which pushes pressure on those pipes. And it's even more of a chance for water main breaks when we see big swings in the temperature, big warm-ups to big cool-downs, which leads to that soil expanding and contracting and moving, causing bends and breaks in the piping. This can also happen at home. Here's some tips to protect your home from the cold. Number one, insulate the water supply lines, especially the ones that are around exterior walls and in unheated areas, including the basement, the attic, or the garage. Also, allow faucets to drip slowly when we have a super big cool down, which is temperatures below 20 degrees. Allowing the faucet to slowly drip relieves that pressure in the pipe, so they may still freeze a little bit, but they're not going to completely burst. And when you're leaving for vacation, don't turn the heat lower than 55 degrees. That allows unheated areas in the home to get at least a little bit of heat so it doesn't drop to that freezing level. And also, in case the power goes out, your house doesn't drop to freezing. There's still some remnant heat in your house when you're on vacation, so you don't have to deal with any breakages. And no one is immune to this. The probability of at least one pipe freeze in your home in a 20-year period for central New York and the Northeast is 100%. And this is also true for most of the northern half of the United States. And this usually happens with temperatures colder than 20 degrees, which we see pretty frequently here in central New York. Reporting on the weather deck, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber.